So right here I've got some solar barn lights. They're going to be super quick and easy, and you don't have to have any power to make them work. So inside the box, we've got the solar panel right here, a cord, a hanging clip. It does come with some sealant if you need that. And then down inside here, there's going to be the actual light itself, as well as a mounting bracket. You do have a couple of mounting options using this one bracket. You can mount it on a wall or on the top of a fence. If you do a wall, you're going to slip this in and it's going to hold it like this. If you're going to mount it on top of a wall, it's going to hold it like that. So for mounting the holder to the wall or fence, it does include some screws if you want to screw it in, but it also has some glue if you choose to glue it instead of screw it. So down here on the bottom of the arm, underneath the solar panel, we've got the power button as well as the mode selection button. It does as well have the plug where you plug the light in and the actual motion sensor out the front here. This has 3 separate modes. It has mode 1 of high brightness when motion is detected, then low brightness after 13 seconds. Mode 2 is high brightness when there's motion, and then all the way off after 13 seconds. And the third mode is just a medium brightness continuously, regardless of whether there's motion detected or not. There is also a USB port right here, so if the solar panel is not keeping up because it's been cloudy or raining for consecutive days, you can take this off and plug it in right here to charge up the internal battery. So you're going to want to plug in the light, and then there's 2 separate hanging pieces. One attaches up here, one attaches to the light itself, and then you're just going to slip them together to hold the light up. So you can see I got them installed here. These are going to be able to be installed on fences or walls or anything like that. They also are convenient that you're not going to have to replace the bulbs very often because they are automatic. They're only going to turn on at night. And they are replaceable, so if you need to, you can swap out the bulbs. And they don't have any kind of power requirement because it is just solar powered. So you can see they're both on motion sensors, so as soon as I walk up to them, the lights turn on and light up the area. These solar powered barn lights are super nice. They're really easy to install. You just attach them. There's no power, no cords. It's just all solar powered. They've got 3 different modes, so you can pick the mode that's right for you. And then they're going to turn on with motion or just always be on, depends on whatever you want them to do.